Dr. Guy with Project Wellness Company. Today our supplement of the month is Dynamic Fruits and Greens. And the reason why this one's so important is with summer coming up, we're gonna be outside more, we're gonna be more active. And instead of going and pick up a juice box or something like that for the kiddos because it's convenient for you, you're pretty much just jam-packing them full of sugar, which is no good for them. It'd be better to get the Dynamic Fruits and Greens. This is a to-go pack as far as that goes. Just mix it with water. Super simple to add in there. They feel like they're getting juice, but you're actually giving them fruits and vegetables, which sometimes if your kids are anything like mine, sometimes it can be tough to have them eat those. So easy way to get in their diet, easy way to take it on the go. We have it in a canister as well, so there'd be more servings there. And there comes in a variety of flavors. So this one here is strawberry kiwi, this one's berry, there's chocolate, there's mint. A lot of different varieties, easy ways to sneak it in for those kiddos. So that way you know that they're getting those good phytonutrients, which are gonna help them grow, and not just giving them sugar, which the outcome of sugar is no good. So go ahead and check us out on the web. Stop into the office if you wanna pick up the supplement, and remember that there's a discount all month with that.